So it's 2025, and you want to use Typing Master version 10 because you have a valid subscription for it. But you're facing force update issues, right? Some of you might already have Typing Master 11, which is the latest version and comes with an improved user interface. However, Typing Master 10 is still a great choice if you have a valid subscription. In this video, I'll help you fix this problem. The first issue you might face while installing Typing Master 10 is that it won't install. Instead, it opens a web page in your browser saying, Typing Master 10 download link expired. Please download the latest version. The solution is to turn off your internet connection and then try installing the application. So that's exactly what I'm going to do now. I'll simply turn off my Wi-Fi and then proceed to install the app. Once Typing Master 10 is installed, you'll face the second problem. If your internet connection is active and you try to open Typing Master 10, you'll see a force update screen telling you to install Typing Master 11, and if you don't update, the app closes automatically. Even if you try to open it without an internet connection, you'll get the error, "This software version is out of date. Please upgrade to a newer version." To fix this, keep your internet connection turned off and go to the app data holder for Typing Master 10. Just follow my steps to locate the folder. Once you're inside the data folder for Typing Master 10, delete all the files in it. This should solve the force update issue. However, if you try to open Typing Master 10 with an active internet connection again, the same problem will return. To permanently fix this issue, you can use any third-party firewall to completely block internet access for Typing Master 10. Or you can block Typing Master's connection using the hosts file. Just follow the steps I'll show later in the video. Still, I highly encourage you to buy Typing Master 11 from the official developer's website if you can afford it. It's a solid piece of software that's really helpful for improving your typing skills. So that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.